Hello everyone, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on North American Moving Services. North American Moving Services is an extremely popular moving service that can help with short, in-town moves or long-distance moves that can be very hard to coordinate on your own. North American Moving Services offers online GPS tracking, which helps promote overall peace of mind during your move. They also offer a wide range of packing products that also include special packaging for clothes and electronics. Specialty services are also offered, like trash removal and appliance connection at your new space, and North American Moving Services will also transport your car for you. However, customers of North American Moving Services have reported that some representatives aren't very helpful, and on the day of the move, late van arrivals and poor communication with updates has also been reported. Bottom line, with a variety of specialty services such as home appliance connecting and a variety of packing options, North American Moving Services is a smart choice for local or long-distance moving. Please visit WatchTheReview.com for more in-depth reviews.